welcome back to my channel. I did mention that I wanted to do my Boxycharm unboxing on camera as one of my videos. I just got it in the mail, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I have not peeked. I just opened it. I know that I got the glassy skin because that was one of the choices that I made. So I don't know if I got a Dose of Colors palette. I know that I've been seeing online that not everybody has been getting it. Also, I don't know if I got a Dose of Colors palette and I'm going to like the one I got because I don't want the baked browns. I just feel like anybody with more than 3 eyeshadow palettes has so many browns to choose from, and the last thing I need is another brown eyeshadow palette. That being said, let's get into this. Okay, so let me go ahead and pull it out because I've already seen it, and so I have the baked browns. I did get a Dose of Color palette. Wow. Kind of looks, I don't know if you can really see that, kind of looks a little rough there in the mirror. I don't know how well you can see that. Anyway, looks a little rough, it looks a little banged up, but oh, it did not like being swatched either. We shall see how that works out for me. It's not the one I wanted, but not gonna lie, I'm still gonna give it a chance. I'm still gonna try it out. Oh, even inside the box there's shadow inside the box. Like you can see the shadow is all over it. It's a little rough. Yeah. Shadows don't seem to be damaged, but there is shadow all over there. And then I got the Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss in Nearly Nude. I feel like I got this already. Maybe it wasn't this exact one, but I did get an Iconic London. So, not the most overwhelming box I've had. Glassy Pretty Filter Skin Balm by Touch and Soleil. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. I'll definitely be trying this out. This is the one thing that I wouldn't say I was looking forward to, because that would be a lie. But it was the one thing that I knew I was getting. It's kind of a weird way it opens, like, I don't. But like I said previously, I do like hydrating items. I will absolutely be trying that out. It's kind of weird how it opens, but I'm still gonna use it. So, and then we got the Cella tweezers. They're tweezers. I have to open them up and see if there's something special about these tweezers, because they're tweezers. And I feel like by the time she's in her 30s, if there's one thing every woman on God's green earth probably has in her bathroom, even if it's only for splinters, it's a good pair of tweezers. I guess the hand grip is nice, but like I said, I feel like everybody has at least one good pair of tweezers. I actually had a point in time a while there where I was buying tweezers every week because I wanted to find a pair I really, really liked. And I felt like a lot of the ones I kept buying were like cutting the hair in half and not pulling it out. And that was no bueno. And then I got the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. It's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. It's inspired by the Legend of St. John's, Magical Dew. Okay, so this says that it can be used to set your makeup or to rehydrate your skin throughout the day. I will definitely give it a try after I have read all of the ingredients, because I am one of those poor unfortunate fools who has a lot of allergies, particularly skin allergies. I feel like I get a new one every year. But I do have a lot. It doesn't look like this has anything that I'm allergic to in it. It's really fun finding beauty products when you're allergic to cocoa butter and almonds and walnuts and pecans and a lot of that other stuff. And places like Ipsy and Boxycharm don't really have a place where you can put skin sensitivities or allergies into it. So that being said, I mean, I'm not crazy about this month's box. Let's see, the dose of colors is $32. I don't know. I mean, the eyeshadow kind of crumbled with the smallest little, I'm trying to get you where you can see it, this middle one kind of crumbled hard with this. I mean, I swatched pretty easily. And I mean, it's swatched, I don't know if you can see that really. It swatched pretty nice, but I don't know. I will give it a chance. I always give anything new makeup wise a chance, but $32. Touch and Soul Ultra Hydrating Priming Skin Balm is also $32. I will have to use that before I can really say what I think about that. But like I said, anything hydrating I'm always up for. Iconic London Lip Plumping Gloss. Non-sticky and plumping. I'll be the judge of that. It's $26. I know I look like I'm poo-pooing everything, but I'm not a big fan of gloss. I'm not a big fan of browns. Like I've mentioned multiple times over and over and over again, I like colors. I like playing with a lot of color. Just as me. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist is $35. It's supposed to encourage a radiant complexion, rebalance your skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. $35. I mean, there are some great skincare products that have cost $35, $40. Peter Thomas Roth costs a lot of money, so there's a really, really good chance that that could be worth it. And then the tweezers, which are $20. I got to a point, I want to say 4 or 5 months ago, where I decided that was it. I was canceling my Boxycharm. And I even went as far as to tell my husband, that's it. They've got one more chance. This is my last month. And if I don't like my box, I'm canceling. And I feel like ever since then, I've gotten really, really good boxes. Last month, I was really happy because you see, you know, the spoilers online and everything. And I had picked and chose which spoilers I wanted. And I had kind of cultivated and told everybody in my house, this would be my perfect box. And I actually ended up getting that box. I got the box with exactly the items in it that I chose. So I was really, really happy about that. But I feel like they're getting back on my list now with this one. Just because I know my profile says I don't like glosses. I don't like glosses. I don't like my lips being sticky. And I feel like it's very, very rare a gloss does not leave your lips sticky. I don't like plain colors. I mean, I do like, it's such a mess inside that box. I do like eyeshadow palettes. I love having something new to add to my collection, but that being said, I would never have picked this one. Out of all of them, I wanted something like Blushing Berries, or what I really wanted was Snow Angel, because it had a lot of different colors in it that I could have played with. So I was really, really hoping for Snow Angel. Like I said, the tweezers, I don't know. I'm not blown away by them. I will definitely try them next time I have to tweeze my eyebrows. I just did it recently, so it's going to be a minute, but I will definitely give them a try and see what they're about. I can tell you emphatically, I would never, even though I have spent $50, $60 on an eyeshadow palette, I would never spend $20 on a pair of tweezers. Not ever. This, you know, it's supposed to be illuminating and refreshing and everything. I am very looking forward to trying this, and I'm very looking forward to trying this. I guess when you consider the fact that this was, what, $35? Yeah, the Skin and Co Truffle Therapy was $35, and this is $32. I mean, that's $67 right there. That definitely pays for the price of the box, just getting those two. And if I love them, like I'm really, really, really hoping I will, then that definitely makes it worth the other possible flops. But thank you so much for watching my video. Please comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box, or what you think, if you really like the Iconic London plumping glosses, or, you know, if you have an opinion that differs from one of mine, or again, if you think that there's something that you just love, 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 and you haven't heard me talk about it and you think I should try it, because I am always up to try a new product. That being said, thank you all so much for joining me today to watch my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you all have had a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.